description.
In a small town whisper star, ramen rage has made his mark. People gather, children smile.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Since the regular rotation of episodes, it's been a while. Today is January 8th, 2026. Happy New Year. Yeah, I did the whole ramen advent calendar from Nissen, Germany. Just been taking time off of doing reviews, and I'm back tentatively. I don't know, it's getting cold out, so yesterday I just kind of chilled at home and did some stuff, got a review ready, and now it's today, and it's in the morning, and I have one review to do today. And this is it. This is Menraku Spicy Miso Tonkotsu. Found this over at Evergreen Asian Market up in Everett, Washington. Hey. They're pretty rad. I like that place a lot. I've found some really good stuff up there when I went. So, yeah, let's make this happen. I thought it'd be kind of nice to do a tonkotsu. It's cold outside. I am ready for spring already. It's funny, yesterday it was like 42 degrees, which honestly, when you think about it, that doesn't seem that cold. But with the wind chill, it ended up getting down there and quite cold. So yeah. And let me set this. It says on the instructions, cook the noodles for 2 minutes or until desired tenderness. I'll cook these for 2 minutes, give them a sniff, and then I'm gonna guess they're gonna need another minute. I don't know, I'm just thinking automatically, just cook them for 3 minutes, but ow, so freaking. And they're hot. Oh, the water's hot. But yeah, look at that. Very Spartan in here. It has one sachet. There's it's like we took the tree down and then we decided let's clean everything. So we did, and everything's clean and no tree. I appreciate the lack of tree, to be honest. I don't know, I like the tree, but it's kind of nice for that to be all done. Had a nice Christmas. Had a mellow New Year. Kids stayed up again. I want to say we were busy doing stuff and time just slipped away and they were up after midnight 2 or 3 days later. But this is their first week back to school, so that's cool. My son Miles is like really wanting to review Bulldog stuff. This is from a kid who doesn't eat anything but Cheez-Its and chocolate milk and stuff like that. He's on the autism spectrum. He doesn't like certain textures, and one of them, I can guarantee you, are noodles. So I did a mukbang with him, but my GoPro crapped out, so you couldn't see him, but he tried it, but it wasn't all that involved of a try. What's up with this? That's time to like redo all the daily music. I think. This might be done. I don't know. We'll find out. So I've been like listening to a lot of records lately, and I need to like my Victrola keeps looking at me like, what did you get me for if you're not going to play records on me? I'm like, I know, but oh, these are going to be fine. They're definitely a thinner gauge noodle. But now I'm like thinking I want to get a fisheye lens for my DSLRs, because then I can do mukbang using that, and the video quality out of those is really nice. And I've got a autofocus lens. I just need the little, you can get an adapter that does it. It'll look kind of fishy, but I'm okay with that. I just need that field of view. Here, come and have a look. Smells pretty good. I'm going to be the first to say this brand, Menraku, they've got bowls, and generally I am not a huge fan of their bowls, mainly because of the noodle. They've had some really spectacular broths, but the noodle always ends up funky and spongy. But what I've always thought is, like, it'd be nice if you could get one that you actually cook. And so, lo and behold, they took my advice. Yeah. Very thin noodle. By the way, this is a product of Thailand. Yeah. But I've had some pretty decent Thai tonkotsu in the last couple years. So I guess we'll see. Noodle's decent. I like that noodle. I mean, if you did it for 3 minutes, it'd be too mushy, I almost think. Give that another try. I'm having trouble finding one of the assets of this. This is a spicy miso. Oh, okay. I'm getting a little spicy. As far as the spicy level, it's very low. But it is there. It does exist. It's not incredibly strong, but that might be appealing for some. I'm okay with that. I should cry an ocean for her. I'm not gonna. I don't know who this lady is. But she keeps saying that, but I find that to be distasteful, so. Believe it or not, in the next, 9 days from now, if we're lucky, me and my wife are actually going to get to have, like, a date night. I am, like, freaking thrilled. We never get such wonderful things to have happen. Okay, what am I doing first? I haven't done any reviews, like I said, in quite a while. It's the egg first, right? Let's try that egg first. Is that what I usually do? I don't know. I think I usually do the... I don't usually do the scallion first, do I? I feel so lost in this, folks. Usually it's just like robotic, automatic, doot. But, I won't do the tonkotsu first because I don't want to burn the egg with the magical torch of love. Or the torch, yeah. I won't do the egg first. So I'm going to do the tonkotsu first. What the hell? I think so. I don't know. Add some. Whoa, let's hang out right there. Let's see how we do, folks. Hopefully, I do well. Sizzling pork. Okay. My blade of fury and loving. This came out of a very fancy egg. Well, it is a very fancy egg, but you know what I'm saying, if you're lucky. Alright, next, scallion. I really wish our local grocer would get their head out of their butts about how to store scallions. They're always so damn wet, and it drives me nuts. It's like, not only that, the last batch I got, which is what you're looking at, the last batch was missing, I don't know, all the batches around it were wilted and looked nasty. We'll see how that goes. And what was I gonna say? Now I'm like Tharn. I don't remember. Time for some sesame seeds. And we do need something I finally scored. I had to order it online. It took forever to get here, but look, I've got my magical tincture, Shichimi Togarashi. Let's make it actually spicy. Can we add anything else? I don't know what to add at the moment. But there's some tonkotsu for you. Like a little bit of tonkotsu. Yeah, tonkotsu is a thing, you know. You go eat the tonkotsu. Yeah. I think I'll have to maybe make another egg. Do an egg tomorrow and do another review. This is kind of nice, I gotta say. I haven't done any reviews in a while. At least 3 weeks. So anyways, enjoy. Well, that's it for me for today. Thanks for watching. It's been fun. I haven't done this in a while, so I speak the truth. This has been fun. So, with that, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Leave those Venezuelan oil tankers alone. Goodbye.
To the collective.